January 1908, Paris, France. Henri Lemoine stands before investigators and insists he can manufacture real diamonds. For years, he had convinced Sir Julius Wernher, a major De Beers figure, that an electric furnace could transform carbon into valuable stones. Witnesses watched Lemoine heat mixtures inside a crucible, then produce small diamonds from the remains. Wernher backed the supposed invention with tens of thousands of pounds. But experts later examined the stones and identified some as natural diamonds bought from known sources. The investigation then turned to Lemoine's secret formula, sealed inside an envelope at a London bank. In June 1908, authorities prepared to open it. Lemoine disappeared before the mystery was settled. He was later returned to France and convicted of fraud in July 1909, receiving 6 years in prison. The demonstrations had looked convincing. The diamonds were real. The formula was not.